I want to talk about like that. You are not your achievements. You're not the toys that you own. You're not the money that you have. You're not your podcast and all its listeners. You're not even really the memories that you make, the places that you've been, the six-pack abs that you have. These aren't the things that define you. These aren't the things that should define me, although I get lost in them quite often. I wanted to do that bodybuilding a show that you've heard me talk about a little bit. And it's funny that at the end of the bodybuilding show, actually between the bodybuilding show, I pigged out on some food. I ate like a shit ton of food, drank my first beer in weeks. And I actually, within 2 days, it was probably a day and a half, I gained 17 and a half pounds. I think in the first day alone, I gained like 12 and a half pounds. And then by the very next day, it was like another 5 pounds. So I went from 187 and a half pounds to 205 pounds plus in 2 days, just in about a day and a half. And it's like, I don't know what I might have been thinking with the bodybuilding show. Now, I'm impressed that I did it. I'm happy that I did it. I'm proud that I did it. I'm grateful for the photos of it. I'm grateful for some of the things that I learned along the way, but I don't want to be hung up or tied into that being my identity. I don't want to be hung up or tied into how many listeners I have for my podcast, how much money I make for my podcast. We've got to stop. We've got to smell the roses. We've got to listen to the birds chirping. We've got to feel the sun on us and not only look at that thing that we want to achieve, not only think about that. And these are the things that I think a lot of us get lost into.